Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in the previous video we have learned about have to. Have to बारे के मुंगे ज़करो चे have to बकमज़े के यूज़ की so दागी यूज़ सरी ड्यूटी दा पारा चिकम जमा फराइज़ भी rule ये उकम rule भी दे उसे और ला ये कानून दा पारा या force to do something या ये उकस पता मांदी ज़ोर रावली चिदा बखामा खाके so दागी दा पारा मुंगा have to यूज़ को नन मुंगा बस दको the have to और the had to द दे द्वारों के difference दे अब बकमज़े के have to यूज़ की गया had to यूज़ की गई so nor function is same दे have to मुंगा यूज़ को the future दा पारा चिदा कार बज़ो कोमा subject plus have to or has to plus verb base form and rest of the sentence. For example, I have to go now. माता was tlildi. ठीक चलो she has to study hard. उसे मेहनत से स्टडी करनी है आगेता देर स्टडी कवल दी ब्याज हम सर हेड टू चिकम स्ट्रक्चर दे सो हेड टी मुंगा यूज को चिमाता पास्ट के पतेरे शेवे जमाने के दाकार कवल उ ठीक चलो so positive structure subject plus had to plus base form and rest of the sentence. I had to buy this mobile. माता दा मोबाइल अगस्तलू जमा मजबूरी वा या बस जमा डेर ज़्यादा ज़रूरत हो कदा में नवे अगस्ते as I mentioned yesterday चिदा स्ट्रक्चर के चिकम खबर वशी का आगमुंगा व न को नुदागे बस न नुकसान माता ब्या रुस्तराजी. So I had to buy this mobile जमा ज़रूरत हो बस माता अगस्तलू. She had to leave. She had to leave. Hagita tlelu. So che hagawale lada sara wale lada. So she had to leave. Hagita tlelu. Kiti shi dage balze kisi zaruri karo. Hagita para hagita tlelu. Bia negative structure isanga de the had to. The have to. Munga pa previous video ke negative structure हम करे interrogative हम करे. So you can watch that video. आगा video तासु कहते ले शे the have to the full lesson the para. Bia negative structure isanga de subject plus did not plus have to plus verb base form and rest of the sentence. Keep that in mind. पर negative के बमुंगा ब्या have to लगो. और did not बदल तराशी नो have to बो ब्या वापस लगी. For example, you did not have to wait for me. ताता ज़माना पारा इंतज़ार नो कवल. मतलब ताता नो पकार ज़माना पार दे इंतज़ार करे भी. So next interrogative structure did plus subject plus had to plus verb base form and rest of the sentence. Keep that in mind. Only for positive structure के बाद had to लगी पर negative और interrogative के बाद did सरा have to लगी. So for example, did he have to go to Lahore? आया लाहौर तत्ल दागर डेर लाज़मियू चागा लाहौर तत्लेवे. That is had to. So today we have learned about have to versus had to. चे देदवानों के difference दे. No use देदवानों यो शांति दे. So if you have to use कीगी then future दा पारा चिपा दाकार बज़ल एक साथ बस कोमा लाज़मी बयागा कवल. Subject plus have to or has to and plus verb base form. The मुंगवी लिचे have by use कीगी the I, we, you, they and plural noun saraba have use को he, she, singular noun saraba has use की ब्या जमा सरा had to मुंगा use को the past ता पारा past के पदेरशे ज़माने की दाम आता कवल डेर ज़्यादा लाज़मी हो. Subject plus had to plus verb base form and rest of the sentence. I had to buy mobile. That's it. Next negative structure is संगा दे subject plus did not plus have to plus verb base form and rest of the sentence. Via interrogative structure did plus subject plus have to plus verb base form and rest of the sentence. That's it for today. Inshallah see you in the next video. Bye bye.